In this video, we're going to look at what it looks like when a student logs into SchoolFusion and they are going to answer a blog post. So I have logged in as a student, and I'm going to come down to my personal dashboard and I'm going to click on Fusion Pages. Now the student will have all of their classes listed here. Each class has its own page, and they would go to whichever class has the blog post on it. I am going to go ahead and click on this class. And once the page loads, I will see that my teacher has given me a discussion topic. There's actually two here. And if I hover over the blog title, it will tell me what's in that blog post. Now, I want to actually see the entire blog because I can see from here that there's a video in it. So I'm going to click the Discuss link, and that's going to take me to the blog post. And here I will be able to play and watch this video, and then I can answer, I can put in my comment. So I will click Add a comment. We can already see that the same student has made a comment before, but we'll go ahead and click Add Comment. This is where the comment needs to be typed. It reminds the student to not use real names of any student, including themselves, and we'll go ahead and click Submit. They'll get a notification saying that the comment is pending approval, and it will display as soon as a moderator has looked at it. In SchoolFusion, all comments from students must be moderated and approved. Any teacher or faculty member who logs into SchoolFusion can help moderate comments. So when you log into SchoolFusion, you might see the option of please help moderate comments. This kind of helps keep the conversation flowing, so if you would go ahead and take a look at those comments and approve them, that would really help out your fellow teachers. I have now logged in as a teacher, and you can see right at the top of the screen it tells me that there are comments awaiting review. I can look at that, I can look at the comment, and again we're looking at it for context, not content. So, misspellings and those kinds of things we're going to kind of ignore. If it's appropriate, then you're going to go ahead and click the green check mark to approve it. And that will approve that comment, and then the comment should show up in the blog. We're now back on the student side, and you can see that there is a refresh button. So if we click that refresh button, any comments that have been that are new will be posted. And we can see here that the comment that we just left has been posted. Notice that there is a reply link, so students and teachers can reply to their classmates' comments in the blog. Now let's take a look at the same post from the teacher side. So I'm going to go over here to log in as a teacher, and we'll go to that Fusion page. And here's our discussion, and we can see that two comments have been posted. So we'll go ahead and click Discuss. Again, I'm on the teacher side now. This is what the teacher sees. And again, we're going to see the same thing that the student sees, and in addition we have an admin button which will allow us to administer some different things. But one thing that you need to know in working with blogs in SchoolFusion, they require students to use a code name when they are posting to blogs, and this kind of just protects the student. And also, a lot of times if students are replying with code names, they may be more likely to reply a little more freely than they would if they were actually putting their own name on this. So students are only able to see each other's code names, but you, the teacher, if you hover over the top of the code name, it's going to pop up and tell you what the student's actual name is. So it's not like you have to remember a bunch of random colors and animal names. You will be able to see the name simply by hovering your cursor over the top of it. So blogging with your students would be a great way to get a discussion started. And with SchoolFusion, it's fairly simple.